Okay, this is a no-bake cheesecake with zero gelatin, and it still slices like this. Stay with me because the trick is all in the whipped cream stage, and I'll put the full recipe link in the first pinned comment. Here's what matters. Use full-fat block cream cheese, not the tub and heavy cream that's really cold. That combo gives you structure without any gelatin. For the crust, mix graham cracker crumbs with melted butter, a little sugar, and a pinch of salt until it looks like damp sand. Press it down tight, like really tight. A loose crust is the reason slices fall apart later. Now chill the crust while we make the filling. Beat the cream cheese first by itself until it's silky smooth. Room temp cream cheese is everything here. Cold cream cheese equals lumps. Add powdered sugar and vanilla. I also add a little lemon juice for that real cheesecake flavor, and sour cream if you want extra tang. Now whip cold heavy cream to soft to medium peaks. This is the setting power. If it's under-whipped, your cheesecake stays loose. Fold the whipped cream in gently, don't beat it. You're protecting all that air you just created, and that air is what makes it thick and sliceable. Spread it into the crust and smooth the top. Cover it, and into the fridge it goes. Chill at least 6 hours overnight is best, then slice with a hot knife for super clean cuts. For the full recipe, exact measurements, and troubleshooting tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or go to nobakedessertslab.com.